One of my favorite core values, or non-negotiables as we like to call them, for Happy State Bank in Amarillo, Texas, is to treat every co-owner as good as or better than your best customer. Now, they call everyone in the organization co-owners. It really doesn't matter what you call the people in your organization, in my opinion. What really matters is how you treat them. That's ultimately what matters. Whether they're team members, whether they're employees, whatever you want to use as the vernacular for what you call the people on your team, then treat them great. Because what happens is, if you can't get along with the people that you work with, you're not going to enjoy where you're working. The people in your organization are not going to enjoy that environment. And ultimately what's going to happen is the customer service that you provide your customers will be diminished. Because how can you not get along with someone in your place of business and then turn around and give great customer service? Think about that for a minute. We need to step back. We need to look to enrich the relationships within our organization. And if someone in your organization isn't getting along with someone else, go help them figure it out. You know, at Happy State Bank, if two people can't get along, they'll solve that for you, which means ultimately someone might be given the opportunity to find gainful employment someplace else. In other words, if we can't get along within our organization, then there's no place for that type of attitude, and something is done with that immediately. When you look at your organization, do people value their relationships? Do people get along on such a level to where literally their relationship is as good or better than their best customer? It should be. When you're together as much as you're together within an organization, you have the opportunity to build deeper relationships. You have the opportunity to make contributions to those relationships. You have the opportunity to get to know people on a deeper level. And if we're not taking advantage of those opportunities, then we're not really doing our job. You see, our greatest achievements in our life come from the relationships of our life. You haven't achieved anything great that there wasn't a relationship involved. Someone recommended you, someone taught you, someone inspired you. There's always a relationship in everything that we achieve. And when we work with people on a regular basis, we have that wonderful opportunity to build amazing relationships. And if things don't go right in a relationship, then it's our responsibility to step up and fix it. When you treat your internal relationships and make sure that they're as good, if not better, than your relationship with your best customer, you're going to love going to work. You're going to love what you do. You're going to build a culture within your organization that nurtures and supports accountability. And you're going to find that people are going to be highly accountable. Because you know what? Accountability is all about a relationship. It's about keeping your commitments to people. And the deeper your relationships, the less likely that someone's going to ever want to disappoint someone in your organization. Nurture your relationships, make them stronger, make regular contributions to your relationship, and you'll be building an organization that not only fosters accountability, nurtures accountability, but creates an amazing place where people want to work.